Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2026 Kawasaki Brute Force 750 EPS model. Great machine for those of you that have had a Brute Force or know somebody. Once you've had them, you really like them, really enjoy them. Great machine, pretty much a beast of an ATV. This has been out for a long time. Obviously, they've just made improvements to it. And for 26, not a lot of change from 25, but still a great looking unit. You've got nice LED or nice bright headlights. You can see the LED there. Nice composite and metal rack. You got a little bit of storage under here. You do have the headlight, and what's nice about that is obviously when you're turning, that's going to turn with you as well. Display is relatively new for them. Nice, easy to read display, color, easy to read, nice graphics on it. Of course, this does have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive with a variable diff lock, which means you squeeze it when you need it. A little bit of storage there. Same kind of racking back here, the composite and the metal. Nice bright tail lights. If you want to throw a ball on the back end, you could to tow stuff, but great machine. Twin cylinder for those of you looking for something on the bigger side, but overall great ATV. If you're looking for an ATV like this or something similar, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find on our website at carnsequipment.com.